Hello, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw. Using your pencils and pen, we will be drawing a magical, mysterious wizard's head. It's as simple as that. Follow along with this simple tutorial and see what you can create. Let's start by drawing a big circle in the middle of our page. Then, mark in a line going down and across, which we'll use later to mark in his facial features. Next, we're going to draw two curved lines on either side of the face for the wizard's ears. Moving over to the face, we're going to draw in his nose. Just slightly above the central mark, draw a long hook shape. Underneath this, we're going to draw in his moustache. Mark a curved line outwards, ending with a pointed edge and joining back to the centre. Repeat this on the other side. After this, outline his long beard by drawing a large petal-like shape. Now it's time for his magic hat. On the top of his head, draw an oval shape. Then, mark a triangle shape above this. Switch to your pen and let's begin by outlining his face. If you've made it this far, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. From the wizard's cheek, draw down until you reach his beard. Then, fill in his ear and repeat this on the other side. Next, coming out of his hat, we can mark in some little arches for his hair. Moving on to his face, draw over our hook-shaped nose and outline his thick moustache. We've added in a crooked point. For his eyes, mark two oval shapes. Above this, we're going to give our wizard some bushy eyebrows. So using the same technique as the hair, draw little arches, like you're drawing a cloud. Now let's move to the hat. Starting where the triangle meets the oval, mark along this line. Outline all the way across, stopping again where the two shapes meet. Then we can draw over our triangle and the rest of the hat. It's time for the finer details. We can sparkle up his hat further. You can decorate it however you like, but we're going to add in some stars. Then some little circles to finish it off. Wait for the pen to dry, and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a Twinkl wizard.